Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you tips that are going to help you improve as a trader in just 90 days. Alright, so basically these are the things that are actually implemented, and it moved me from being unprofitable to a profitable trader, where I was able to eliminate a lot of mistakes, improve my win rate. So there are some very few tips in which I'm going to be sharing with you, and you want to pick a pen and write them down, guys. I tell you, if you apply these tips in few months, you will come back beneath this video and comment and tell me how your trading results have improved. Alright, so make sure that you watch the video till the end. Okay traders, welcome to my channel. I am Kingsley. By the grace of God, I bring to you guys strategies, tutorials on the forex market, volatility indices, metals like gold, Nasdaq, VIX75, many other instruments. You want to subscribe to the channel by hitting on the subscribe button and notification bell to not miss out. Okay, so actually I was taking too many trades, and I realized that I had good strategies, but I will always end up having a lower win rate than normally it's supposed to be. But I came to realize that having a good strategy is not enough. You need to know exactly when you should be implementing that strategy. There are strategies that are meant for uptrending markets, that are meant for trending markets, ranging markets, and all of that. But not all types of trending markets are the same. That's just a typical example. Alright, now there are times where if you have been a trader, you have been trading for a while, you should know that in any trading strategy there are A setups and there are B setups, meaning that you are going to see some setups in which they are going to look better than others. You get? Now, number one tip that will help you improve your trading results or improve your trading win rate is that you should screen out the best trading setups and then avoid those setups that are not the best. Alright, now like I said earlier, everyone has A and B setups. There are some setups that you take, or some trading setups that you are going to take, and there are times you are going to be like, okay, later on when you get the result, you'll be like, I said to myself, this was not the best trading setup, but you took it anyway. Alright, but if you learn to screen out the best trading setups, the ones that you see that they are not too good, you allow them, you stay out of the trade, you are going to see that your trading results are going to improve drastically. I personally did that. Alright, but to know which trading setups are A setups and B setups, you need to do a lot of back testing. You need to scroll through your chart. You need to do for testing, take a lot of trades on your demo account. First of all, you realize that there are some particular setups that are really working, that their win rate is higher. Okay, we can never have a 100% win rate, but since it is a numbers game and we are acting with probabilities, we need to get high win rate as possible in order to survive in the long run. Right, there are some setups that you are going to take which are not very good, right, and the trade is going to move in your favor. Alright, but you only got lucky at that time, and you'll be thinking that, alright, anytime I see this kind of setup, let me just take. But guess what? You are going to get caught in the long run, because in those type of B or C setups that you see that are not too good, there are those type of setups. When you keep taking them, if you take 10 of those setups, right, you might end up just winning 3 of them or 4. You get the point? But now you might just take the trade at a particular point where the trade was going to move in your favor. How trading is. There are some trades that you take, if you take any trade randomly, you can still have a win or a losing trade, but you will not know. So you need to screen them out and make sure that you take the best setup, so that you can have the numbers game, or you have the higher probability of winning more trades than losing, because it is in the long run that we are going to see who is profitable and not. It's not what happens in the short run. So in order to stay long in the business and improve your trading result, make sure that you take screen the best trading setups and stop taking every trade that you see. You are going to see your result improve drastically. Alright, now another aspect is you need to journal your trades. That's one of the best way in which you can improve in your trading in just a few months. So one of the the greatest traders said that the best book in which you can ever read in the financial market is your trading journal. Right, your trading journal will simply record the trades that you took, okay, the mistakes that you did, and when you come back and review them later on, you are going to realize that, okay, this is a mistake that I did and I'm going to improve on. That's one of the best way in which you can improve. You should not be that kind of trader that just takes a trade and move on to the next trade. You should always journal your trades, right? What I usually do sometimes, I take a screenshot, I create a Telegram channel where I only record those trades. Okay, and when I take a screenshot, since I already know how my trading setup should present, if there was a mistake that I made, I'm going to actually write it clear under that screenshot. Say number 3, number 4 trade, number 5 trade. This is the mistake that I did in this trade, even if I won the trade, right? Because like I said earlier, if you win a trade that is not good, right, it's going to cash you up in the long run. Because if you keep doing those mistakes, in 10 trades, you are going to win very few and you are going to lose. Okay, you're going to end up being a loser. So it's in the long run that matters. So even if you win a wrong trade, make sure that you avoid that mistake, because it's not going to help you in the long run. So what I usually do, I will record, I'll post that screenshot and I'll say, okay, this is the issue that I did, this is the mistake that I did, and next time this is how I'm going to improve. So at the end of taking many trades, maybe 30 trades, 100 trades, or maybe at the end of the week, end of the month, I will review the trades and I will see that, okay, this is the mistake that I did. I write them down, this is the mistake that I did, and then the solutions. This is how I'm going to avoid these mistakes, guys. And at the end, I become better. I don't repeat the same mistakes that I did, and that is how my trading result keep on improving. So this will help you keep on. Make sure you journal your trade. All right, another thing you need to do is ensure that you are not overtrading. Overtrading is very dangerous. Overtrading can play with your psychology and mess up your psychology, guys. When you overtrade, taking every trade that you see, at the end of the day, you're going to end up making mistakes. All right, now in order to avoid overtrading, there are 2 things that I'm going to tell you to do. Number 1, make sure that you set a daily limit. All right, set a daily target, how much you want to be making, which is realistic. Set a realistic daily target. This daily target will help you in order to don't take too many trades. All right, it's going to limit the number of trades you take. Once you hit that limit, guys, close your charts and you're done. All right, and then set a daily maximum loss. When you have this particular losing trades, guys, stay off the market. That will not only help you from overtrading, it will also help you from avoiding trading errors like revenge trading, trying to get back your money, which in most cases, or more often than not, will always cause traders to lose their accounts. So it will help you to avoid revenge trading, fear of missing out, trading from emotion, and all of that. So when you close your chart, you come back the next day, you are refreshed and you're able to get start the trading with trading out of emotion, or start the trading out of emotions. So make sure that you set a daily target and a daily maximum loss, so that you should avoid taking too many trades. All right, another thing you need to do is you have to ensure that you are trading when the market is sufficiently volatile. All right, there are times where you have candlesticks just playing around the same zone, just at the same point and all of that. Patterns are likely to be violated during this moment. You see price just at the same spot for a very long time. Those type of times you just need to avoid and stay out of the market. Now it now depend on what market you are trading. All right, like in the forex market, there are many Mondays in which the volatility is not really good, right? Sometimes you need to avoid such market situations and look for good trending market situations, situations where you have at least good momentum. It must not necessarily be news event that move price so rapidly, but at least the volatility should be considered. It should be at least good, so that you can be able to catch patterns and then catch moves. All right, now if you look at chart, for instance, you are going to see that there are moments where we have, I don't know if you can see my screen, you see candlesticks, they are just moving around the same spot. Okay, we have this kind of moves, price just moving around the same spot. This kind of patterns are likely to be violated. You need to look for areas where you have good momentum, you have volatility and all of that. So these things might not look very big, but they are very efficient. These are very efficient tools in which, if you implement them, guys, you are going to see an improvement in your trading result. I realized that my win rate increased from one strategy I was using to a higher probability, or to a higher win rate, because I just implemented some of these things. Some people might be rushing trying to change their strategy because they feel that they have not gotten the particular win rate in which they were expecting. But the strategy is not the problem. The problem is just that you lack patience, you are just rushing it, you are just naive, you just want to trade. As a result of that, you end up taking some unnecessary losing trades, which reduces your win rate. So these points that I gave you, they will help you out. All right, let's just take a quick recap. I actually talked about ensure that you screen out the best trading setup, the A setup to take, and avoid trade setups that are a little contradictory in your mind. You know them by yourself. All right, we also talked about trying to journal your trades. Make sure that you keep a record of the trades that you take. Right, I'm recording my trades. I ensure that
I will review them at the end, and I will write down my errors not to repeat them. And I also said that why you should avoid overtrading, taking too many trades. And to avoid overtrading, you need to limit yourself in your trading plan. Create a limit where you only win, you exceed the market when you have a particular number of winning trades, or you have a particular win or a particular maximum number of losing trades, so that you check your mind from revenge trading, trading from emotions and all of that. And I also say you should try to trade when the market is volatile. For me, for instance, what improved my trade is I look for very good trading, trending markets. You get the point? So because the market is trending enough, it help me out, and I'll be able to catch those moves, and my win rate increases. All right, so if you found the video helpful, guys, please make sure that you also support us as we bring valuable content by subscribing to the channel if you are new, giving us a thumbs up, commenting in the comment section below, and then also make sure that you like and share with other traders. All right, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in the next video.